So this is for this
It's
product
called
is
anti-aging. Yeah, right here, gold anti-aging.
okay. So I'm at Costco right now. They have this special deal from Infinity Aloe. I love this product because I have these rashes on my face, and I use it, and it helps clear up the rash. So I'm here to get some more of the product. So you guys are here till when?
We leave on next Sunday.
Next
Usually
Sunday.
It's a 10-day roadshow.
So this is only Sunnyvale office, right?
Yes, yeah,
Costco right
yeah.
now. Yeah. So
Yeah, we're-
until next Sunday. So special deal. So this one is for
So this is a
500.
$4.99 for
Okay.
28 months treatment.
Okay.
We also have the small one.
Okay.
So you can take a look at.
How much is that?
This is half price of
Okay,
this.
gotcha.
$2.49.
Okay.
But this is like a 7 to 8 months treatment.
Okay.
Right. So you paid right here $2.50, but this
Gotcha.
is $8.24 value. So
Okay.
this 2 bottle, it's only half of the 6.7 ounce.
Okay.
So you pay half price
So
of this, but you
half
only
the
get
product, half-
20% of the product.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't get a half. If you got this one big bottle, you get a half, but you only got a half of this big bottle.
Oh.
That's
so
why-
so it's less. So it's better to get this
Exactly.
deal. Okay.
The bigger
Better to get this
quantity,
deal. Okay.
the lower price.
The
each
price,
ounce,
okay.
Right. So this is $17 per month.
Okay. And then this is $149 for this package.
Yeah,
Okay.
usually it's an unscented white one. The pink one has adjustment scent. But my display is mixed up because they prepare
Okay.
for family, they want half. It's travel size instead of 4.
Oh, okay.
And
So
you-
even better deal. Okay.
That's right. You got a 4 bottle exfoliation then too.
Okay.
So this come to here order the 4 bottle more.
Gotcha.
Right here, you got a 6 bottle instead of 5.
Oh.
If you want to unscented, I change everything to
Yeah,
unscented.
unscented.
Okay,
Yes,
so
please.
this is exfoliation.
Okay.
Right, so right now I'm gonna change this for you. Right.
Okay.
This is all unscented for you.
How about this? Do I get this too? What is
I
that?
give you as a gift. How
Oh.
about that?
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why you're doing. I should let you try everything, right? So the
Okay.
mask. So do you know how to use this exfoliation?
No.
Okay, I show you.
Okay, so
Yeah, so
that's something new now. Exfoliation.
So right now we make. Right, so this all made in year
Okay.
2023. Right, so here, 6 bottle right here, unscented,
Okay.
10 travel size. Exfoliation on the face once a week. This is when you take shower, use this to exfoliate your body once a week.
Okay.
So every day, first layer from face to toe. If like a family or a senior husband, they may only use this one.
Okay.
But if you want a second anti-aging treatment, this is at top of that. But this one, you only starting with the small bottle. When you're finished, refill. You don't want to use this directly; it will get dried. Right? You
gotcha.
close tightly.
Close it,
You
okay.
can put it anywhere refrigerator, right?
Okay.
So I will give you this like a whole box.
Okay.
This is selling for $50, right? Where I will let you have all of those.
Oh, cool.
They come out with 3 layers.
Okay.
You only use the middle one for 15 minutes.
15
Right,
minutes. Okay.
because the top one have no nutrient, the bottom one have no nutrient. Just the middle one.
Middle.
Because it's very slippery. The top and the bottom just to hold this up.
Gotcha.
All right, so
okay.
try
So
this
you
one.
only
Yeah.
use the middle
Yes,
piece.
yes,
Okay.
That is made out of like a coconut, this fiber.
Gotcha.
Right? So and we also have mask sheets. It's
Okay.
like a combination of the Nordic mud and with this mask.
Okay.
Just so this is we didn't have that.
No sample on that one?
No, I'll give you the mask.
Okay.
Right here,
Oh,
right?
okay.
So right here, I'm gonna show you how to use this exfoliation.
Okay.
So this is black one is for the face
Okay.
exfoliation.
Okay.
Right, let's use your hand. It's just water, all right?
Okay.
Nothing else. Water. When we wash face, our skin is wet, a little bit cold. Sorry. Gently massage. Make sure you use water.
Okay.
You don't want to dry wash your face, right?
Okay.
Okay. So you start to see your skin color looks different, right? Now I'm gonna clean up with this white wipes. Wherever I massage, did you see your skin shades is brightening, right? So after this, the best thing is mask. Of course, you do that on the face.
I see.
And this is for the body, but make sure your wherever the skin is wet, then you use this product, right?
Okay.
Everything on the table is organic. So
Okay.
you're getting the best deal, right?
Yes.
So I'm putting everything here,
Okay.
right? So you happy holiday and share
thank
with
you.
your family. And those all made in year 2023,
Okay.
5-year expiration.
Okay.
You get the best skincare product.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm happy for you.
I love this product because I bought it a couple years ago. I forgot to use it, and then I had this rash, and I was like, oh, I need to use it. And I said, oh wow, it has
really
this
fix-
cooling, like healing effect on it, like on my face, and it just the rash goes away. So that
That's
kind of
exactly
helps.
telling
Yeah.
you, right?
Oh yeah, good for hives too, right?
Yeah.
So if you have hives.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
That's
Here
what
it
it
is, guys.
Aloe vera fix for all
So
those
if you
skin
guys
problems.
have skin problems, it's really helpful.
Yeah, even though we're healthy skin, right, we use for the best moisturizer.
Okay.
So I'm gonna throw those product information here.
Okay.
This is a moisturizer. This is anti-aging.
So the big box again, how much?
This is
$6.99.
That's
Okay.
the moisturizer and anti-aging combination.
Okay.
Use on the body. They have
Okay.
some, like on the hand, they have some like eczema, right? The
Gotcha.
leaves are there. You will definitely feel the itchiness is,
Going away.
coming. Yeah. It's
Okay.
going away. So
Because
this-
my brother has a really bad eczema problem. Like his skin is so dry, it's so cracked. Like it look like snake, like
I
fish
understand.
scale,
It's-
right?
It's
Yeah.
really irritating. It's
Right.
really
So you think that this will really
Yes, that
okay?
help. And
I'll let him try
the
it.
regular one moisturizer unscented help.
Will help. Okay.
this helps.
This one.
Right,
Okay.
so
I'll give him some to try too and
Yeah.
see.
So you have the all unscented
Okay.
and definitely
Yeah,
share with
yeah.
you. Just leave on the face, cover all the skin.
For how long? 15 minutes?
15 to 20 minutes.
15 to
All
20 minutes,
So the
okay.
product, I give you the information, you will see it's right there. This is the one you will see here. When this is for sensitive skin, right? You choose the share with
Right.
the product, perfect. This is Nordic mud information.
Okay.
All right? 15
Okay.
minutes, leave on the face, avoid the eye area, avoid the lips. Right.
Okay.
So if you want that one, we leave on next Sunday.
Okay.
All right.
Cool. Great.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.